Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones both traded with a bearish bias throughout this day. In fact, US30 has gone towards 33,540 and US100 has gone 14,820, 14,830 levels. Now, what to expect today from Tech 100 and Dow Jones? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update with the Asia and Europe session must have profited. Thus, press the bell icon or join my free Telegram channel to get the live market updates. Let's start. First, Nasdaq 100 followed with Dow Jones. Also, if you appreciate the effort, do press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment. If you think that the content is adding meaning to your trading decisions, do press the like button. Let's start. Now see Tech 100 on the early charts in the Asian session update. Today we have seen that 4960, 4970 is the only level above which we should buy. Beyond 4970, 15,000, 15,050 and 15,100. These are two major resistances. And this is the zone where we are going to see maximum resistance for Nasdaq 100. It has respected so far. It has not yet breached 4970 levels on the upside. At the same time, if you look at the downside, see it has retraced towards 20 period and now again looking down here. If you look at it, has breached the channel so far and trying to retrace, and hence beyond 4970 certainly the bullishness may prevail. However, it is trying to trade with a slight bearish bias as of now. The stochastic retrace towards overbought levels. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It can possibly converge, but right now it is still in green. RSI looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 2-hour, likewise on the 2-hour charts, getting the resistance here. It is trying to reverse. I will wait for it to break past now 14,850 levels, below which certainly that is the point below which more bearishness is going to prevail. In fact, I will recommend you to take a sell position somewhere here at 14,880 itself, but then wait for it to break below 14,820, 14,800 levels. This is the point below which the bears will take over. Else it is trying to retrace. It may continue to reverse here. Yes, it may continue to reverse and achieve 15,050 levels as well. This possibility also exists. The stochastic retraced, MACD willing to converge crossover for a buying position. Right now it is still on sale. RSI has retraced and now looking downwards, trying to stay bearish. Coming to 3-hour, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see till the time 50% of this candle is respected, we can expect a reversal which may take it till towards 15,000, 15,050 levels. Yes, these levels are possible, but right now if you look at, see yesterday also I have told you, see if you divide it into two, it is yielding lower highs and it is almost symmetrical. It is staying bearish. That is what has happened. We have seen lower lows and lower highs here. Trying to stay within the zone 14,820, 14,800 maximum support, 15,050, 15,100 is the maximum resistance. So 300 points, and these are markets. It can show you swings as well. The stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is bearish. It can possibly converge, but it is right now looking downwards as of now. RSI is also trying to stay bearish. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, one must note one point that this is a reversal sign here, and after the reversal, first thing is the candle has achieved lower lows and then it has immediately reversed. See, it has formed a bigger tail on the downside. Now, bigger tail on the downside suggests that this candle can also show you the same, yielding higher lows. It can reverse and can continue on the upside. You have to be watchful. After the series of red candles, a possible retracement towards 15,000, 15,050 can be expected. Yes, if you see it is staying above 4970, stay long for 15,000, 15,030 or 15,050 and 15,100, which is the greatest resistance here. The stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is bearish. RSI is also trying to trade with a bearish bias. Coming to the now on the daily charts, lower lows are seen, lower highs are seen. Yes, it is trying to trade with a bearish bias. See, yesterday was a bigger breakout candle. Today it has almost achieved the bottom of this. Also, one can see that 14,800, 820 is a great support. We have seen prices retracing towards 14,800, 820 and now trying to rise. Yes, lower lows are done. Now, it could be a possible swing day where one can in fact expect it to rise. See, this is the zone where we can expect it to swing 14,800 to 15,100, 300 points of swing zone. And the maximum resistance is going to be seen at 15,050, 15,100 levels. The possibility of it to drop towards these levels also exists. One has to remain watchful here. If you look at a stochastic, this is already hitting the bottom here. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI is staying flat. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 14,960, 970 levels, beyond which 15,000, 15,050, 15,100 levels to be seen. And in between this zone is where maximum resistance is going to be expected for Tech 100. You have to be watchful, careful and alert. If it can drop almost, see from current levels almost it has seen 100 points. So from current levels it can see plus 100 as well, which is almost taking it till towards 15,000, 20, 30 levels. So this is another probability that it can show you swings 15,030 it can achieve and then reverse from there and close the day at 14,920, 14,930. So you have to be watchful, take your positions. On the downside, a selling entry can be taken at 14,880 levels, but then 14,850, 14,820 are going to remain the maximum support. Only if it stays below 14,800 should treat Tech 100 as bearish. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 26th batch started on 16th of October. 27th batch is going to start on 28th of November. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the Asia and Euro session update. I asked you to buy at 33,700 levels. So far 33,700 appears to be a barrier here. Yes, it has shown a reversal. What it is trying to do, yes, this is the base it has created at 33,540. With that as base, reversal sign, retracement, and now trying to trade with a drop. It can possibly drop, achieve higher lows here somewhere 570, 560 and bounce back from there can be expected. Yes, it can rise further. Also, what has happened here, too much of divergence from the 20 period, it has converged towards 20 period. Thus, one thing is very, very clear. Beyond 33,700, one can initiate a buying entry, beyond which you can look forward to 760, 800 and then in fact 900 levels. The stochastic rising, MACD has seen a crossover. This is a bullish cross. It can continue on the upside here. RSI is trying to look downwards, trying to stay bearish. Likewise, on the 2-hour chart, see flat bottom, first greener candle. This candle can completely reverse, move towards 33,800 plus plus. But at the same time, it can try to yield higher lows. There is a probability to it. Higher lows means probably we can look forward to 570, 560 levels and a reversal from there cannot be denied. Stochastic rising, MACD is extremely bearish. It can possibly converge crossover for a buying entry. RSI is also trying to trade bearish. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar. See, it has erased all the losses here and it is now almost has strike to the 33,700 level. So breaking beyond which certainly the bullish momentum may continue. 33,800 and 33,900 levels can be expected, but with caution. This should be traded with caution here. The stochastic rising from oversold. MACD is extremely bearish. Candle size has diminished. Possibly it could converge. RSI is trying to trade bearish here. Coming to 4-hour charts. Likewise, on the 4-hour charts, flat top, lower low. So this could be expanding triangle. Thus 33,500. Yes, these levels are, see, if you see it getting resistance at around 33,560, 540 zone, first of all, the possibility of a reversal will increase. Second is if it stays below this, 33,500 is the level which we are going to see here. Yes, 33,700 to 500 is the zone where we have to be watchful, careful and alert. Stochastic rising from the oversold, MACD bearish, RSI is still looking downwards. And on the daily charts, now this is one point. On the daily charts, once we have seen the reversal sign, then the first red candle, and today the second red candle may continue. There is a probability to it. Below 33,500, do not think of buying Dow Jones. You can expect it to break towards 33,400 or 350 levels, which is going to be a maximum support level here. So first I will look forward to how it behaves at around 33,500 and then below that more bearishness is going to prevail. So yes, this is first observation. Second observation is stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is still in green, but it is trying to converge a bit. A crossover here may bring bearishness. RSI is flat. So looking at this, I will recommend to only buy Dow Jones once you see it is staying above 33,700, beyond which the bulls will completely take over. At the same time, on the downside, below 33,540, 550 is where the bearish will be active, and only below 33,500 is where the maximum bearishness is. Else what could happen? Probably it may get the support from 33,500 and bounce back. This is also one of the probabilities which are looking at. So first thing is the support level seen at around 33,540, 560, very, very strong. Then 500, ultimately a very, very strong support levels. Below 500 is where the bears will completely take over. I will look forward to 400, 350 levels, and beyond that more bearishness is going to prevail. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, for the live market updates, you can join my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Press the bell icon. And yes, if you appreciate the effort, if you think that the content is adding value to your trading decisions, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. See you again with the Asia and Europe session update tomorrow. Stay tuned.